Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Kawasaki KRX 1000. We've just installed the 8-pod rock light kit from R1. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how it works. These pod lights are app controlled. Very cool, tons of functionality. You can pick any color you can come up with. On this particular machine, we have installed 2 of the pod lights up in the rear wheel well of each rear tire, giving it a lot of cool lighting in the back. Then on the front, we've got one installed up in the wheel well to illuminate that suspension component in the front. And my favorite place on the KRX is up in the grill. That's sweet right there. I don't care who you are. 2 of the pod lights are up in the top of the grill area. All of that light illuminating off of the radiator. Really sweet on the KRX for sure. Great quality lighting from R1. Of course, we've got them available here at Big Pine Sports in stock, ready to ship. (435-427-3338). Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great night, everybody.